In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI-powered quiz generators using DeepSeek. Start by opening DeepSeek and typing a prompt like "Generate a quiz for this topic." Then, include details such as subject, difficulty level, number of questions, and format, multiple choice, true or false, or short answers. DeepSeek will instantly create a complete set of questions and answers, organized and ready to use. You can also ask it to provide explanation for each answer, shuffle questions, or create multiple versions for practice or testing. If needed, DeepSeek can generate quizzes for exam, study guides, or interactive learning platforms. Once your quiz is ready, copy it to your document, online quiz tool, or LMS. So that's it.